The Deputy Tribal Chief of Hima Khyrim, Leh Kmen Singh Siem today, made an ardent appeal to all the people belonging to the Hinyotreb community to refrain from taking part in the socio-religious festival Pomblang Leh Kmen Hima Khyrim, better known as Shat Nongkrem, which will culminate on the 24th and 25th of November. Addressing a press conference at the office of the spokesperson of tribal chiefs at Demtring in Shillong, Paiem Siem said Dorbar of Hima Khyrim has made an appeal to the people to refrain themselves from attending the festival, as the traditional authorities will have to adhere to the COVID-19 protocol issued by the government. He, however, said that the rites and ritual, including Kaletniam Yodo at Smith on the 24th of this month, which includes decapitation of goat, and on the 25th of this month, being the last day of the festival, which includes dancing and frolicking few men and women dancers, will be there. Paiem Singh Siem also said that unlike in the previous years, only 2 persons from each of the administrative units of Hima Khyrim are allowed to offer their goats in view of the COVID-19 pandemic.
From our Dorbar, we request all the people of the state, people of our Hima, to bear with us since we cannot be together this year. So we request them to bear with us and to give the praise from the place, from the homes, so that we can COVID-19 will go away and we can again live our life like we used to. So I thank you, viewers, who are viewing our conference here. And again, I would like to thank Wajon, the spokesperson of the Federation of Khasi States. Here, we as a family from the Yingsat Yingsunan would like to request again the viewers to kindly bear with us just for this year. Hopefully, next year things will go back to normal. And we can live our life, our daily lives, as the way we used to. Thank you all of you who are here.
Speaking to the media, the spokesperson of Traditional Chief, John Khashing, expressed deep appreciation to the government of Meghalaya to celebrate this mega festival like other religions. Khashing said, people want to take part in this festival because they feel it is their duty to respect the tribal chief at least only a year. They also feel that the festival is part and parcel of their religion, Khashing said, while appealing to refrain from doing so in these trying times when the whole world is under COVID-19 pandemic.
As this is going to be a Nongkrem dance which is very, very different from the normal one, because they are going to only perform the rituals, the ceremonies, as per the tradition. We are grateful to the government of Meghalaya, the district administration, for having permitted them to complete their religious rituals and ceremonies on the 24th and 25th of November. However, they have extended their request. They have urged the citizens of the state to refrain from visiting, so as to conform to the SOP of the government. So we are extremely grateful to the government for having allowed the Siem of Khyrim and the Yingsa to complete all the rituals, which they are in a way duty bound to complete their religious functions. And we hope that this religious function will pave the way for the solution. And we are very happy, like last few days we are seeing that there is some positive news on the vaccine, which is not yet 100% but 94%. We hope it will be 100% after the Shat Pomblang. And I hope that people will cooperate, the citizens will cooperate by adhering to the SOP issued by the government. You have heard just now from the CM that there are only limited number of participants. Only the participant in the religious rituals, dances, very limited number will be allowed. It will be the first of its kind in many hundreds of years that they are having to have a Nongkrem dance of this nature where we normally see thousands of people, and this year they have to urge the people not to, to refrain, to cooperate. And also the dancers, there used to be hundreds of dancers. This year, in arrangement with the district administration and the government, there will be only So on the 24th, there will be only 8 male members, while on the 25th, which is the final day, there will be only 40 dancers. I think 20 male, 20 female. So it will be quite a, but what is more important is that they have to complete their rituals. So that is the point.